In an increasingly digital world, cleaning companies must embrace technology, but not in a way that complicates their fundamental purpose. They should focus on refining the customer journey, enhancing their ability to respond swiftly, and optimizing every interaction to build deeper connections. By doing so, they unlock the potential for greater customer satisfaction and loyalty, ensuring their business thrives amidst competition. As Lisa's request lands in the cleaning company's inbox, the owner, scrolling through the day's tasks, notices the notification pop up. It's a gentle reminder that efficiency isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity in today's fast-paced environment. Responding swiftly, the owner crafts a concise quote that not only delineates the costs but underlines exceptional service quality, reassuring Lisa her home is in good hands. As Lisa eagerly awaits the response, she reflects on her experience with other cleaning services. The frustrations of delayed answers and unclear pricing linger in her mind, driving her to appreciate when a company values her time. Meanwhile, the cleaning company's automated system swiftly captures her preferences, keeping them on file for future reference. The owner, equipped with digital tools, prepares to secure not just a single appointment but a long-term relationship with Lisa. With every quick reply and personalized message, the foundation for trust and professionalism continues to solidify. As Lisa reads the quote, a sense of relief washes over her. She appreciates the clarity and professionalism exhibited. The detailed breakdown of services reassures her that her needs are understood and prioritized. Back at the cleaning company, the owner receives instant notifications about the booking requests and automatically generated reminders for those scheduled appointments. Each click and confirmation further reinforces the smooth orchestration of their operations, showcasing how technology seamlessly integrates into their everyday tasks. This newfound efficiency not only diminishes the chaos typical in service industries but elevates the overall customer experience, ensuring that both the client and business benefit from a smoother, more organized process. As the days pass, Lisa thinks about other inquiries she has made, comparing the experiences. The cleaning company's proactive approach stands out. Reminders about her upcoming appointment reinforce their dedication to customer service. In a landscape where businesses often overlook the personal touch, the cleaning company distinguishes itself by ensuring Lisa feels valued and informed. She shares her positive experience with friends, further amplifying the company's reputation in the community. As the scheduled date approaches, both Lisa and the cleaning company are eager, embodying the success achieved through effective digital strategies. With the appointment day finally here, Lisa wakes up feeling a mix of anticipation and excitement. Meanwhile, the cleaning company has prepared diligently, their automated systems sending final reminders to both the team and Lisa. These notifications serve not only to prep the staff for the upcoming service but also to reassure Lisa that she is right to trust this service provider. As the cleaning team arrives, equipped with the necessary supplies and the knowledge of Lisa's specific preferences, the smooth transition reflects the benefits of their digital transformation. Engaging with Lisa, they embody professionalism, confirming the details and ensuring her satisfaction before they begin the job. As the cleaning team steps through Lisa's front door, the owner watches via an app that updates in real time, tracking progress and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Each member of the team is briefed not only on the services requested but also on the personalized notes gathered during the booking process. They approach the work with enthusiasm, eager to impress Lisa and solidify her trust in their service. The collaborative effort manifests as they move expertly through the rooms, adapting to Lisa's feedback and maintaining open communication. With every stroke of the mop and every dusting of the shelves, they enhance the lived space, transforming it into a fresh, welcoming environment. As the cleaning team diligently works, Lisa observes their attention to detail with appreciation. The team has divided tasks efficiently, ensuring that no corner is overlooked while maintaining communication about progress. Each interaction reflects their commitment to quality, further reinforcing Lisa's decision to choose this service. Meanwhile, the automated system tracks the job in the background, preparing to kick off the follow-up process even before they finish. Once the final touches are complete, the team wraps up, offering Lisa the chance to inspect their work, solidifying her satisfaction and opening the door for future bookings. As the cleaning team concludes their work, Lisa beams with satisfaction, enjoying a newfound sense of order and cleanliness in her home. They take a moment to discuss what was done, and the lead cleaner solicits any feedback or additional concerns. This personal touch not only highlights their commitment to excellence but also makes Lisa feel valued and heard. Immediately after the walkthrough, an automated message goes out, thanking her for her business and inviting her to leave a review. This seamless blend of human interaction and technology captures the essence of a modern service experience, ensuring Lisa feels compelled to share her positive feedback. As days roll by, Lisa receives the automated follow-up message post-cleaning, paving the way for continued interaction. Within moments, she replies with glowing feedback about her experience, eager to express her gratitude. The cleaning company receives her review almost instantly, sparking excitement in the owner, who recognizes this as a testament to their effective digital transformation. Engaging with Lisa through personalized responses, they strengthen customer relationships while showcasing how a blend of automation and genuine engagement can lead to a thriving business. That initial step into digitalization has not just simplified their operations but set the groundwork for a loyal, satisfied customer base. As business continues to thrive, the owner reflects on the transformation journey they undertaken. They now recognize that embracing digital tools was not merely about efficiency but about enhancing relationships with customers like Lisa. The automated systems allowed the cleaning team to focus on delivering quality service rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. This shift not only set them apart from competitors but cultivated a loyal client base that valued their attention to detail and personalized service. With each successful interaction, they are reminded that technology, when implemented thoughtfully, can foster genuine connections that propel their business forward. With Lisa's positive review in hand, the cleaning company prepares to implement additional strategies for reinforcing customer loyalty. They brainstorm innovative ideas, such as creating a referral program that incentivizes satisfied clients to share their experiences with friends and family. This not only enhances word-of-mouth marketing but also deepens the connection with existing customers. Excitement brews among the team as they envision ways to build on their success, knowing that every action taken towards improving customer engagement today will ensure a prosperous tomorrow. Together, they affirm the commitment to providing exceptional cleaning services while continuously adapting and evolving in the digital landscape. As the cleaning company embraces these new strategies, they delve into the potential of social media to elevate their presence. By sharing before and after photos of Lisa's rejuvenated home, they showcase their work while highlighting satisfied customers. Engaging content attracts more inquiries and potential clients, creating a ripple effect that builds trust in the local community. The team recognizes that each post generated brings them closer to new opportunities, as their digital footprint flourishes, underscoring the importance of using technology to cultivate relationships beyond the initial service. The owner feels a surge of pride in how far they've come, realizing that technology isn't just about applications or software, it's about people like Lisa. Every automated response, thoughtful follow-up, and seamless booking leads to an enhanced customer experience, which is the core of their success. Through this journey of digital transformation, the cleaning company not only streamlined operations but also redefined customer relationships. By prioritizing effective communication and tailored services, they embarked on a path that embraced the future of business, affirming that success lies in understanding and meeting customer needs.